Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you the reason why this machine here stopped working abruptly when it got warm. And no, it was not the coil. That's what I thought at first. I even told the customer, I think it's your coil. You know, the engine gets warm, then it dies, you let it cool down, then it starts up again and runs for a bit. Not that at all. So what would happen is after it warmed up, it would sometimes just quit all of a sudden. If you hit the choke, the throttle and put it on choke, you could get it to stay running, but really poorly. And what it ended up being, guys, is what's in my hand right now. And here's what it is. It was the carburetor solenoid. So this solenoid was getting sloppy, and I even tested it with the machine turned off, connected, turned the key on, and it would just slightly come down, and it was intermittent. Sometimes it'd come down really easy, sometimes not. And when it got warm, it got even worse. So when the machine starts with a solenoid like this, it will come down to let the flow of fuel get through the emulsion tube of the carburetor. If this isn't coming down, you're not going to get enough fuel. If it decides halfway through mowing your lawn that it doesn't want to work, it's just going to pop up and block all the fuel flow to your engine. And this solenoid is located right underneath your carburetor. It's even got a plug with a few wires. Sometimes there'll be one wire. It all depends. And basically you just grab a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter wrench, turn it off, undo it here, unscrew it I mean, and you just replace it. It's that simple. If you have spark when your engine is warm and it dies, check this. It might be your problem. You can always try a different one. Some people even snip off this little plunger. What that can do though, if the plunger is not there, is sometimes it'll turn the machine off and it's going to let out a backfire. So you want to be careful if you do that. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Check this out if you have a problem. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.